And with that, I am announcing a George Peterson for Representative Write-In campaign. Those that pass a bill, which I believe is a great bill. Not a good bill, I think it's a great bill. And a bill which I believe can save lives. It's a bill that I think that addresses many of the concerns that were raised to us by the lawful gun owners of the Commonwealth, and I want to sincerely thank them for all the friendly emails they've sent me over the last couple of weeks. But I think that hopefully we've addressed many of their concerns, and I think we have addressed those concerns very well. And I think that we've also addressed many of the concerns that were raised by some of the folks who obviously wanted to bring some type of control of the gun violence that is going on all across our state. There are many people that I could thank in terms of making today possible. But there is just one gentleman who I would particularly like to mention. And it's very difficult for me to mention this gentleman because as I'm speaking to the Democratic members, they mention his name as someone, if I could get him on board, that they would vote for this bill. And I said, how do you think that makes me feel as Speaker of the House, that I have to get a Republican to get on to vote for this bill, for you to vote for this bill? You know, that's really not the most pleasant feeling as the Speaker of the House. But he came into this with a mind wide open, with an idea that he wanted to get to yes, and most importantly, to get to a place where he felt he could do right by the gun owners and right by the constituents and right to bring more public safety to the people of Massachusetts. And I will say in my many years of being here, this is one of the most courageous acts, if you will, and one of the most selfless acts that I've seen by a legislator. And I can't thank him enough for the time and the effort that he worked to get to yes with us here today. And I can't thank him enough, the gentleman from Grafton, George Peterson. And with that, I am announcing a George Peterson for Representative Write-In campaign. Those of you who would like to join me. With that, I would also now like to have a couple of remembrances, if we will.